Welcome to this training video where I explain to you how to install Microsoft EDU on your CUSD device. I'm going to scoot down here to the search area. I'm going to click one time. I'm going to type in Software Center. The example that I'm providing will work successfully for paid staff in Clovis Unified. This is not the pathway that would work for students. For me, it shows up right here. This is January of 2021. At some point in time, this will cascade down as other resources are added to the queue. And if you have difficulties locating the software that you're looking for, you can come up to the search box and then type in Minecraft over here. Because it's populated right here, I'm simply going to click one time. It is not installed on my device, so I'm going to click the install button, and this usually takes several minutes, and it will probably ask you to restart your computer. When the software is fully installed, nothing dynamic is going to happen to your computer. It's just going to change from the install button that was blue over to the gray uninstall button. At this point, you can come up to this box and then close it out. You can then head back down to that very same search box. This time when you type in Minecraft, it should show you the Minecraft Education Edition, and this is the software that you will open on your computer. I didn't fully type it in. The computer was able to detect that this is probably what I was looking for. I'm going to click right here in order to open that software. The software has signed me in using the long form of my email, and I can click the OK button in order to move on. As long as you are signed into a CUSD device using your CUSD credentials, there is the potential that it may not ask you to authenticate yourself. In the event that you are signed in using a personal email account, I recommend that you sign out of that personal email account and that you sign in using the long form of your CUSD email. Now, for students, the email form is going to be different, and that's going to be similar to Mickey Mouse 001 at my.cusd.com. And that's the pathway that the students would use in order to sign in to their CUSD education accounts for Minecraft EDU. All right, team, thanks so much for watching today's video and have a great day.